Hi, my name is Michelle. I will be reading a book titled The Knight's Tale, written by Ameera Huda and illustrated by Daryl Pongsian. In the kingdom of Coralia, the king and queen had two children, Princess Arya and Prince Elias. Princess Arya's dream was to become a knight. She had always loved how strong and brave the knights were. Arya's younger brother, Prince Elias, was training to be a knight. Elias had the wisdom to rule as a king, while Arya had the courage to fight as a knight. Princess Arya wanted to fight for her kingdom. She couldn't stand hiding behind the palace walls. Arya's parents, the king and queen, tried to stop her, but she continued to train as a knight with her brother. One day, a fire-breathing dragon flew above Coralia and attacked the kingdom. Princess Arya escaped the palace with her brother to fight the dragon. The prince led the knights to distract the dragon so Arya could get close enough to kill it. When the kingdom was saved, the king commanded to see the face of his brave knight who defeated the dragon. The knight revealed herself, and the king saw the face of his daughter. Arya showed that she had the courage of a knight, and her brother had the command of a king. In the end, the king agreed to let Arya protect their kingdom as a knight. Prince Elias would be crowned king when it was time. Princess Arya was the first ever royal to become a knight. Her story brought girls from all over the kingdom the courage to train as knights. The people of Coralia will forever remember the courageous knight's tale who was a woman. Reading is important because it helps us sharpen our language skills. And aside from that, it has this magical ability to bring us to different places. So I hope you have enjoyed this reading, and I hope that all of you continue reading. Thank you all so much.